Hey, what's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're gonna go over Gala games. We just locked in juicy profits at the very perfect time on Gala. 18% profit on Solana, 32% profit. Absolutely destroyed Forex. 1900 pips on gold. We closed 40 pips on CHF JPY, 88 pips on Euro USD, 65 pips on USD CAD. Trade crypto, trade Forex, all in one place. $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon. So Gala games up 2%, sitting at 0.0244. Market cap 673 million. 24-hour volume 67 million. So here are the scenarios you need to watch for. So we hit our target perfectly. Elliott wave, honestly guys, if you're not using Elliott wave in your analysis and with your trading, you're really missing out, because this is, in my opinion, the greatest way to predict the market, the most accurate way to predict the market. So we completed a 5-wave move. So off the bear market low, wave 1 to the upside. We can remove this. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback. Push up in a wave 3, 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So potentially we could have completed wave 3. Now it's a bit short. If you take a trend-based extension from the bottom of 1 to the top to the bottom of 2, actually it's not bad. Yeah, it's fine. We reached the 138.2, which is perfectly okay for a wave 3. So now we have to hold this pullback zone. Here's the wave 4. You take a fib retracement from the bottom of 2 up to the top of 3. And we must hold this yellow box. If we break 0.02307, then that's only 3 waves up off the bear market low, which could signal a wave B of an ABC correction. Let me grab my brush. Of a wave A down, a wave B, only a 3-wave move, and come down in a wave C, which could take you all the way down to 0.01, a little bit lower, 0.01798. Man, it's hard to do analysis when you have dyslexia. The numbers are moving around, and you're trying to sound semi-intelligent for your viewers, and it can be challenging. So that's what could happen if we only get the 3 waves off the low, is that it's a wave B and you're going to come deeper in a wave C, of course, depending on BTC. However, if we complete the 5-wave move, if we bounce from this wave 4 pullback zone, we push up in a wave 5, then we can focus on a bullish scenario. But until then, this is the key level. If 0.02307 breaks, I mean, you could that would break into the wave 1. Okay, so we probably be looking at leading diagonal. It does look like a diagonal pattern. I'm gonna have to look more into that, because if we break down, yeah, the 50%, that would break into the wave 1. So potentially we could be looking at a leading diagonal. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, wave 3 pullback, potentially bounce off this trend line in a wave 4, and then push up in a wave 5. But if we fail to do that, I would definitely watch this trend line, because if we fail to hold it at about 0.0236, let me move this up, because the 50% no longer matters, because we'd already be breaking into the wave 1, and we've actually, yeah, we haven't yet, but we're already very close to breaking into the wave 1. So you'd have to look at leading diagonal. Wave 1 to the upside, wave 2 pullback, wave 3 pullback in a wave 4, push up in a wave 5. So if you get that 5-wave move in the leading diagonal, then you could pull back in a wave 2, and you could see continuation to the upside. But if you fail to create 5 waves, and fail to break that wave 3 high, and you only have 3 waves to the upside, then you can go through that ABC correction for our friend Matic. So that's the key thing to look for. Do we get that 5th wave to complete an ending diagonal, or do we see a larger breakout, which would mean it's an impulse? Or do we break the wedge and start to break down and only get that 3-wave move and come down deeper in a wave C? So watch that trend line at about 0.02374. That's pretty key, guys. And we need to hold that trend line. If it starts to break, we start to lose that low of 0.023, that local low, then we could definitely see a deeper pullback and potentially break the low of 0.020 and head down to about 0.01833. We could move this down a little bit, 0.01812. So we locked in profits at the absolute perfect time on Gala right before we dropped. 18% profit, sold trade 32% profit. and we just smashed it. Absolutely crushed it today on Forex. Guys, you can trade Forex and crypto all in one place for 10 bucks. 10 bucks a month. No joke, okay? It's not a there's no strings attached. 10 bucks a month. Sign up through the Patreon. Make sure to sign up to Bitfinex, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders. Highly suggest Bitfinex. That's where I do my trading. Check out all the links down below, guys. Come smash the markets with us. Come crush the markets. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.